Hi, my name is Miriam Al-Musawi, and I'm part of the Modern Applications team here at VMware. I would like to invite you to an event, which is not only the biggest IT conference of the year, but also one of the most important cloud conferences to attend in the world. VMworld, which is taking place online across the globe on September 29th through October 1st. Glimpse the future of IT with VMware's executives and VMware's CEO, Pat Gelsinger, CEO of Pepsi, Indra Nooyi, CEO of Moderna, Stefan Benzel, CEO of Nike, John Donahoe, and many others. Come explore the newest tools that you need to build, run, and manage your modern applications and infrastructure. Learn how to provision Kubernetes clusters, and extend your current Kubernetes footprint across multiple clouds in this year's app modernization track. Join us and immerse yourself in 7 live channels, over 800 sessions and visionary keynotes, VMware and sponsor demo zones, over 40 interactive hands-on labs, and community and networking events. To take advantage of 48 hours of non-stop innovation, register now for free, and together, let's shape the future of technology at VMworld 2020.